Hello, in front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you can press the back button or swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the option called the system and select it. And then tap on the option called about. Now, scroll down and find the option called serial number. And as you can see, here we have the serial number of our device. And once you're done checking it, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.